All right, today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of how I would edit videos in CapCut. Now, I will warn y'all, I'm a desktop girl, so I usually don't do this on my phone, and if I do, I will upload it into the app directly. But CapCut's a great tool because you can really edit with a lot of the app-like feel of text on screen and that sort of thing right within the app without needing to use, TikTok or the glitchy as hell Instagram Reels. Okay, so I'm going to tap on New Project and I'm going to use this video here of the waves. So waves on the shore. I'm going to go ahead and right away edit the clip so that it's shorter. So I'm going to tap on the end and bring it in. Probably going to leave it at about 5 seconds. Then I'm going to add some text to the screen. So I'm going to tap on text here and add text. And my first bit of text, I'm going to say mindset hack like this. Pardon my spelling error because that is just how I type on the when I'm not using the computer. So I like to use this version here that has the color in the background, or maybe even, I think I'm going to use this one here just so that the text stands out. So then I'm going to add another piece of text that is the mindset hack itself. One moment, please. All right, so I've added the text, but you can see that it's quite long. So I'm actually going to add a line break there by pressing enter, and then I'm going to make that a different size. So I'm going to play around with this a little bit. You can pinch in to zoom. I'm going to bring that up a little bit and then bring this one here. Okay, so now that I have both of those there, the other thing that you can do is edit this so that it pops up on the screen at different times. So what I'm going to do is actually have the mindset hacks be the entire length of the clip, and then I'm going to have this piece pop up and stay till the end. So if I go slowly, mindset hack is on the screen, and then about 1 second in, this text pops up on the screen as well, and it just adds a little bit of dynamic elements to your video. And there you have it. That's how you edit and add text in CapCut. Before you go, I got 17,000 views on Instagram using B-roll strategies just like these, and I teach them in my $9 B-roll course. Check it out below this video.